In this guide, we'll walk you through installing the Tackform Starlink Mini Pipe Adapter Mount. Before installation, locate the factory retention mechanism on your Starlink Mini Pipe Adapter. This will either be a hex head bolt or a tightening knob used to secure the pipe. Back the fastener out enough to allow the unit to be inserted into the adapter opening. Tighten the factory retention bolt or knob to securely lock the unit in place. Next, select the ball that matches the size for the arm you plan to use. Locate the Type B mounting interface on the front of the unit. You'll notice an indexing hole beside the threaded mounting hole. On the bottom of the Type B ball, there is a matching alignment pin next to the mounting screw. This pin engages with the indexing hole in the unit, preventing the ball from rotating or loosening during use. Thread the ball into the unit. Your Tackform Starlink Mini Pipe Adapter Mount is now installed and ready for use.